Alright, today we're going to make an adjustable backdrop for photography or whatever. Now, I'm making this 7 foot wide and 8 foot tall, but you'll be able to slide it down to about 5 foot tall if needed. Now, you can make this smaller, okay, with a smaller PVC. I'm using 2 thick wall of the 1 1/4 and 2 thick wall of the 1 inch. Okay, now you can use the thinner stuff if you're making a smaller one. Okay, but you're going to need 4 T's of the 1 1/4. You're going to need 4 caps for the legs, 1 1/4, and 2 90-degree elbows of the 1 inch. Now also, if you're making it adjustable, some kind of pins of some sort just to set the adjustment. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut all this and start assembly. Now at the end I'll have a diagram with all the dimensions and material list. But let's get started. Alright, so here's our adjustable backdrop stand. This is the overall view here, and I'll give you some close-ups here in just a second. Right now I got it adjustable on both sides. I'll have the dimensions at the end. Now I use these pins from Lowe's. You can get them from Home Depot. And they're just the little pins that got the little ball bearing in the end so that it doesn't just fall out. Okay, these are 1/4 inch pins. Now for the hole I had to go 17/16 just so they go in and out. Now here we got how the legs set up and the actual bar, which you can hang a pretty good bit on there. Now, just so you see this, it'll be in the drawing, but there's a small piece cut and put inside this end of the T for stability. Okay? Well, I hope this helps somebody. I will have all your drawings and dimensions at the end here. And if you have any feedback, please feel free. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.
Hope it has some better luck than me. You can't get nothing for your dollar anymore. Would you kindly show yourself to that door? You can't get nothing for your dollar anymore. Get nothing to eat, you get nothing in the bank. There's nothing in your belly if you're the working poor. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.